Ste. Marie is this quaint harbor town on the northeast corner of the Upper Peninsula of Michigan. They're known for the Soo Locks, which is a passageway for boats from Lake Superior to Lake Huron. What a great souvenir.
Yeah.
The vibe downtown's pretty cute. Cute shops, some retro vibe. I'm gonna go get some crepes at Oak Crepe because they look oh so delicious. They have a ton of different options. They have breakfast crepes, they have lunch and dinner crepes, savory, vegetable, and dessert crepes. The locks are really important because if they weren't here, it would just be a bunch of rapids and the ships would have a pretty hard time making their way to the river. I had a nice day in Sault Ste. Marie. The Soo Locks is definitely worth it and a unique experience. And it's a great gateway to experience the town and its charm and all the nature in the surrounding areas.